Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add page to PDF file. So for us to get this done, I'm going to head over to I Love PDF here in Google, and then I'm going to go ahead and open this one. We're going to look for the organize button right here. So I'm just going to go ahead and type here organize PDF. So I can choose this one right here. Click select PDF and then choose the PDF that you are going to use. So as you can see, there are two of them, and I want to put one page or a blank page in the middle. So I can click this one right here, and then I can go ahead and click organize, or I have the option also to add more, so it depends on you. So I'm going to click this one. This task has been processed successfully. Download this, and let's go ahead and see it. So there is the page one, and then let's go ahead and scroll below. As you can see, this is an empty page, and then there goes the other page. So yeah, that's how you're going to add a page to PDF file.